It was one of those days today. It's Monday, November 17th, 2025. I'm Patrick, disabled investor on $1 million mission to grow my registered disability savings plan, on a journey. And today was a setback, although it wasn't as bad as it looked on the surface, and I'll just explain. I hold Netflix shares, and Netflix just issued 10-for-1 split for the shares. So I had 4 Netflix shares that were over $1,100, and the value is now like $109 for 10 shares. So or each share is $109, adding up to $1,100, which it was before. So the bank looks like my portfolio is worth less than it actually is because of the failure to account for the split in stocks. But I'm still down about $4,000 since this morning. And that really sucks. I don't have any explanation for why. It just seemed to be a fear-induced day. Things were selling off today, and my portfolio was no exception. My worst performers were a leap for Apple, leap for Nvidia, and my shares of Quantum Emotion, QNC. Those 3 were my worst performers. And the only bright spot on my portfolio today, like everything else was red, the only bright spot was my leap for Google. It's a $165 call for Google. Google, or Alphabet, got close to $291, $292, somewhere around there this morning. So, at one point that leap was up about $2,000. Not anymore. It's only up $1,300 at this point. So that cushioned the blow a little bit. But, man, it was one of those rough days. And a good day to do anything but, focus in on the losses. And, they're not baked in until you sell. So, I don't know. At the end of the day, my portfolio finished off at $158,666 according to the bank. What a lucky number. As I say, that's down $3,965, but that doesn't take into account the missing money from the additional shares that I have in Netflix. So tomorrow there should be a more accurate accounting of that, or whenever the bank updates the number of shares that I have. And it was one of those almost a kick in the nuts day. It's just about 3-4 weeks ago my portfolio was sitting around $189,000. So this has been a hell of a ride, and I'm just glad I put $50,000, took it out of risk, and put it into something safe or safer. And it is hurt today. Anyways, interested to hear how you did. How was your portfolio? Did it take a beating today, or were you okay? Hope everybody's doing fine. Thanks for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.